here with Half Dozen Customs. We're in Wabash, Indiana, at the Wabash Festival. We came up here for a car show, and it got rained out. It was raining while we were on our way here. There's still a couple cars here, so we'll walk around and check them out. But looks like a rain day. So here we go. Let's check them out. Well, that's it. It's a shame that it got rained out. It looked like there were some nice cars up here. We passed quite a few on our way up here, so we knew that it was ending early due to the weather. So is what it is. At least we got to get out a little bit today and, you know, I guess get a little bit of exercise, check out some cool stuff. So we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Telling me about that house. She's been by here before, but yeah, half of a Camaro out there turned into flower planters. They got some gas pumps out there. There was some roofs off to the side off of some old pickup trucks that they had some flowers around. Huge shop in the back too, but pretty cool little place. All right.